Welcome to another QuickBooks tutorial where I'll be showing how to enter vendors, customers, enter invoices, receive payments, and transfer QuickBooks data into Excel. Please support us by clicking to subscribe button and provide us comment below. Also let us know if you have any questions. Let's begin now. So to create a vendor, you need to click vendor from the middle bar. Click vendor center, top left, click new vendor 2 times, new vendor, put the vendor name, Jara Corporation, company name, Jara Corporation. If there is any contact person, accounting department, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and then if there is any additional information provided, you could provide additional information, fax number, now we need to put the address. This address is where we will send the check payments to. So city, New York, state NY, zip 1005, country USA, and if there is any notes you could enter notes over here. If not, click OK. Payment setting, you could put the account number over here. There is any credit limit to how much you wanna have the limit, you can put the amount here. Payment terms, whatever the terms you agreed upon. There is any opening balance, you could put the amount over here. Since this is a corporation, we won't be sending 1099, but we can put the EIN number, which is the tax ID number. If you know which account it belongs to, you can type in over here. For example, if this is the supplies, you could put supplies. Vendor type, this is a supplier, put supplier. Depending upon the correct account, you can choose and set it up. This is how we create vendors. And if you want to create multiple vendor, you can add multiple vendor from here. So now I'll be showing you how to enter customers. So to enter customer, we'll go to customers, customer center. Again, similar to vendors, we're gonna click new customer 2 times. Here the different is, instead of vendor is customer. So we'll put Lara Smith, company name Lara Smith, and then the phone number, and then if there is any additional information you could put that. Let's put city, state New York, country USA, any notes. Payment settings, you could put the account number, payment terms, credit limit, and then preferred delivery method, email, mail, whatever you choose. And you can even store the credit card information. Additional information, if you want job description and all that information, you could always store it in QuickBooks. Click OK. So this is how you create customers. So now I'll be showing you how to create invoice. So to create invoice, you can either go from create invoice from here and click the customer name and create an invoice, or even you could go to customer center, and then go to Dana, and hope the account and services are similar, so we'll create a duplicate invoice. By duplicating, it will be already there, all the information, so you just need to change the relevant information. So the date, today's date, verse number 2, date 30 is same, so we provide date provided 5 hours instead of 2, 5 hours instead of 2, 5 to 50, click save and close. And then in the memo, provided consulting services, click save and close. So this is how we create an invoice. Now to receive a payment, as you can see over here, $100 is already paid, but this $250 is due. So after a few days or even that time, we receive $250. So we're gonna click the invoice, click receive payment, and then we're gonna click customer name Dana. So if she give us 250 cash or check, we're gonna put 250, but if she only paid us $200, let's say, then we're gonna put $200. Raise date when we receive the cash or check, or ACH payment, or e-check, let's say check, and click 200 is automatically coming here, and we're gonna write the memo, $50 balance left remaining. Click save and close. So once you do this, this is not done yet. There is still one more process. As you can see from here, total invoice was $250 and she paid $200, so $50 is balance remaining. So now after we receive $200, we'll go to the record deposit and check mark the $200, click OK. So which bank we want to deposit this? So we see here Chase Bank, Citibank, so we'll deposit to Chase Bank. And then the date of receipt check, we're gonna put the check number here, click save and close. So this is how we deposit the payment. This is needed for accounts receivable department. So now I'll be showing you how to transfer the QuickBooks information to Excel. So to transfer QuickBooks information to Excel, so for example, if you go to the vendor center and if you want to transfer all these reports, all these invoices, you could simply click Excel and export transaction. In this way, after clicking this, it will transfer all the information. Even from the reports or anywhere, if you want to transfer the information, let's go to company financial profit and loss. So all this information over here, as you can see, you can click on Excel and create new worksheet. So this will transfer all the information to the Excel. If you want to print, you can click print report and you can print. If you want to email, you can click email. And always for the invoices from the customer, once you create the invoice, it's always helpful to send the invoice to the email to the customer directly from here by clicking here. Thank you for watching this tutorial.